The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological and the United States Department of Health. A large amount of smoke coming from the volcano was being reported at Yellowstone National Park. It is believed that this will lead to the eruption, but that cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents in the Yellowstone National Park at 100-mile radius are strongly advised to leave the area if the volcano is about to erupt. Do not approach the volcano smokes as it is very lethal and causes problems to your lungs. Volcanic ash can cause breathing problems and damage the lungs. Inhaling large amounts of ash and volcanic gases can cause a person to suffocate. Again, all residents are strongly advised to leave the area immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
A volcano advisory has been issued. The volcano was seen spilling out more magma and as well as ash clouds. It is assumed that this volcano is about to erupt in a very moment right now. If you are currently living near the volcano, you are advised to evacuate immediately. Do not stay where you are as there will be no emergency services will come to help you. Your best course of action is to evacuate your area right now. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. Tuned into local media news and outlets for more information and updates.
We interrupt normal programming. This is a national emergency. All details and important details will follow soon. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information. This is the emergency alert system serving Casper metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. This is the emergency alert system serving the city of Casper. If you are not in your local area, tune into other stations to provide news and information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Vice President. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. The volcano in Yellowstone National Park has erupted completely. Ash clouds are now currently covering the entire North American continent, and eventually, it will spread across the world. The state of Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming has been reported to be covered in ashes and magma. If you are not in your shelter, head to your shelter immediately, as your life depends on it. If you refuse to go to your shelter, you'll face certain death. Riots are also occurring across the United States as well as Canada and Mexico. Fireballs are being shot from the volcano and crashed down throughout the United States. Due to the volcano erupting at the Yellowstone National Park, the ash clouds will block the sun for around 15 to 20 years. Crops, plants, and others will be unable to grow. Global famine will occur, and poison gas will spread everywhere across the world. Here are the survival instructions. Head to the shelter or a basement to attempt to hide there, and bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. This station will go off the air for the final time, and we will play the national anthem for the final time. May God bless us all.